If you're tired of sewing just straight, I invite you to come join me at the Husqvarna Viking Stitching Cosmos online course. Hi, I'm Sarah from sewingmastery.com, and we've been introducing the Husqvarna Viking Epic 980Q sewing machine and reminding our viewers that we've actually already done 50 sewing videos on the Husqvarna Viking Designer Epic 1. The two differences between the machine is that the Epic 1 has an embroidery unit and the 980Q does not. So if you're looking for a machine that really has just all the sewing features but you're not an embroiderer, this is a great model to take a look at. So our Stitching Cosmos online course allows you to really delve into all the wonderful functions, decorative stitches, and I love decorative stitches. That's why we always tell you to stitch out your stitch book. So again, if you're looking for information on doing just that, we'll put links below in the description. But a Stitching Cosmos online course, we actually go over 25 different sewing techniques and feature 18 different presser feet. Now, a lot of people say, well, what if I don't have all those presser feet? That seems like a big investment. And you're right, but taking the course will actually help you be more knowledgeable of which accessories you will use and which ones you probably won't. So why buy those feet ahead of time and then realize, I'm never going to use that ever again. This course will help you make good decisions knowing which accessories you will actually need and want. Plus, we go through so many ways of using those accessories beyond their normal abilities. It's kind of fun to realize you've got a foot that you can do other things with other than what it was originally designed for. And many of the topics and techniques you can actually do without the feet. As always, having the right tools for the job always makes it simpler and easier. So if you decide not to get all the feet, you will find you'll be able to complete most of the course and the techniques that we teach and have you master. So I do invite you to join us at the Husqvarna Viking Stitching Cosmos online course with me in and next to you in your sewing studio.